Hello guys, today we're going to make kalabasa flan. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna need, and of course we're gonna need this kalabasa. I open it, cut it with this knife, and it's like this. Later I'm gonna get all the seeds out and the fiber. And also we need 5 eggs, medium size, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, 1 can, vanilla, 1 teaspoon. This is how you clean the kalabasa. You just take out all the seeds inside, like this, and all the fiber. Okay, just want you to know that I already took out the fiber and the seed inside, and I washed it. I washed it real good because we're gonna eat the skin also when it's done. So I'm just wiping it off. And the cover, also I clean. Let's start making the leche flan. Five eggs. Guys, ining recipe nga ini, ikuha kay ni kay YouTube. Gagawan day ni ring Thailand. Pero in Karelang style different. So, ngani gawang kay Filipino style. So, 5 ebon. Metong condensed milk. Dapat pala sebo lang kaya pa itang ebon eh. So, sebo lang kaya pa yung ebon. May excited kung bagya. Alimang king ebon na. Kailangan pala sebo lang kaya. Okay. After the condensed milk, we're gonna add the evaporated milk. Then vanilla, 1 teaspoon, just estimate, just like that. Then we'll just stir it, just like this, okay? We'll be back. Okay. Balik na. So, sasabunan king ebon, sangkap na itang condensed milk, evaporated milk, ang pong vanilla. Okay? So, ngayon gawang ko, para mila ko yung bubbles na pili ko kainis. Gamitan kaining strainer para mila ko yung bubbles. Okay? Kaya gawin tayo naman pa si bayo. Balik-balik. Balik-balik yan. Okay? Dua na beses ito. Ngayon minsan pa. Kasi tinyang babos, oh. Yan. Okay na siguro kanini. Titak niya yung babos, oh. Okay, kay bananita, ngayon ining kalabasa ngayon nandin, pepa, tiktikan ko na Tsaka kay pinamulisan kitang paper towel. So, alaning dano mo, pekaos ko na Bakang tapot ang kanangke, pati balat, muri mong gawan ito. So, ngayon tugtog ko na ining flan, leche flan, keng kilog. Hanggang kat mo ya. Mga, ay naman tangka mo po to, ma-over naman, mag-flow. So, siguro okay nining makanini. Makanini pa mo. Okay, litak pa kaya. Ay, kagulo ko. Yak baling gawang ko. Kasi buri kumitak pa niya itang kalabasa Nya. First time keng gawang kasi so ako sure. Pero ining takap, eta naman ibili keni. Ibili tayo keni para maluto yan naman. Kailangan makabukla iya. So, yan ilipat tayo kitang, pero lako ko pa yung babos, karakal na babos. Lako ko pa yung babos kayong kutsara. Kaya ba't ilipat tayo kitang steamer na makaredy nakasindi yung steamer. Okay? So, yung gawang tamong pili tani yung kalabasa flan kining steamer. Okay? So, yung kalabasa tamo. Here's the kalabasa with the flan, leche flan. I'm gonna put it here, like that. And then we're gonna put the cover also. Put it like this. And we'll cook it at the same time. Now we're gonna put this to cover the flan. Here. Then we'll just put this like this. Just like that. So the steam doesn't go to the flan. I don't have a long towel to cover this, so we'll just fold it like this. Okay guys, so then we also gonna lower the fire so it cooks slow. This one probably gonna take 30 to 45 minutes, but we're going to check it. Guys, let's go check, see what's going on to our Kalabasa Leche Flan. Let's open this up. The cover. Wow. Let's poke the cover. Okay, the Kalabasa cover is cooked. We gotta pull that out. And let's see this one. It's still wet. So the leche flan is not done, but the cover will have to pull it out. We don't want it broken. Okay, so we'll be back, guys. Okay guys, it's been cooking for 45 minutes now, so let's check if it's done already. I changed the cover because the cloth, the towel was soaked. So I put that aluminum foil to avoid it from the dripping off the steam. Okay, so here's the stick. We're gonna check it now. Where's the stick? I cannot see in the camera. Okay, the stick came out cleaner. So I think it's done. So we're gonna take it out from the steamer and let it cool. And put it in the fridge for like an hour to chill it so it gets, how do you say that? Para mga sachet-ing leche flan, mga lasog po ang ganyan tayo. Okay? So ngayon magpanawi yung leche flan bayo kay bili kang refrigerator. The Kalabasa Leche Flan is cooling off in the cover, and later I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for like an hour so the leche flan will settle when we cut it. So we'll be back. Yum. Right now it's cooling off, and this is the cover. We're gonna cover it like this, but it's too hot, so we're just gonna put it on the side for now, so they both get cooled off like that. Okay. Eto na. Here we come. We're gonna cut it. Take out the cover. Put on the side. And let's cut it. Okay. This over here. This over there. Okay. Let's see if I cut it right. Yeah. Wow. Looks like this. Wow. Really good. This is a Kalabasa Leche Flan. Wow. Let's put the cover. Let's try it. Let's taste it. Here we go. Oh my goodness. If you don't want to eat the skin, you don't have to eat the skin. Like this. Delicious. Very delicious. Let's cut it. So soft. Like this. I'm gonna put it all in my mouth. It's really good. Even better with the skin and kalabasa. Okay, guys. What do you think about my Kalabasa Leche Flan? I hope you enjoy watching my new tutorial video making Filipino dessert. Hanggang sa susunod, magkita-kita tayo uli. Maraming salamat po.